Welcome back everybody to the R44 workshop. Today we have Barry's M3 Touring behind me, and if you are fond of our channel and you know our channel and what we get up to day to day, this car has been on the channel many times. So Barry's most recent kind of feature in our channel was the installation of these headlights and a few other little bits and bobs which are unbelievable. So this is like a pre-LCI, I don't know what the name is, but the big dash cars. And then these are the LCI headlights from the M4 CS. So they look pretty cool. Barry's also had loads of other stuff fitted. This car's dripped out throughout. It's even got, you know, MMX calipers, some Venturi bits, whatever. So this installment, he's getting a set of KW V3 coilovers with the EDC delete, so you have no faults on the dash. He's also getting a set of Vossen wheels, some interior trim, some M Performance pieces, and all that kind of fun stuff. So today, I'm gonna jump in quickly and install the KWs. Aldridge is picking up all the M Performance parts, which I'll showcase to you now. Everything there now. Aldridge has picked that up around when he can get time to get things done, so they look really nice. I'm going to fit the coilovers. Dylan's then going to jump in the car, head over to Sambo's tires. They're going to mount the tires on the Vossens, and then he's going to head to Geo by Luke, who's going to set all the suspension up, getting ready, set all the suspension up, ready for Barry to collect the car and enjoy Christmas with a beautiful, beautiful M3 Touring. But anyways, leave me to get working. Let me quickly show you this suspension. Said it's getting a set of V3 KW suspensions. So these are V3s that are designed for the M3 Touring and the G83 M4. So these are they're designed to take a bit more weight. They seem a little bit more heavy duty. You've got like some adjustment on the top and the bottom there, which is quite nice. And then you have the height adjustment as well. Luke's gonna go into a bit more detail on them when he's kind of underneath the car doing the alignment. We'll get him to take it out for a spin. Hopefully it's all going well and to plan. These are the masterpieces that you need because this system is not adaptive. So you need these. These are a KW product. They go into the kind of wire harness and stop any problems. You've got the suspension behind me here. It's super simple stuff. They're not too bad to install. I just want to get them installed, Dylan. So just leave me do my thing. Let me get them installed, and then you can go drive them and let everybody know kind of what it's like. So yeah, let's have some fun.
car. It's got its KW V3s as well, so the handling's just unreal. But yeah, we're gonna go road test it. I'm pretty sure the owner Barry's gonna really like this now that we've set it up. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Oh my, it just turns in so right. It just turns in perfect. All right, we're gonna see what the car's saying now once the setup's done. I know it's four-wheel drive, but the Geo's really like made it track straight. Hands are off the wheel. It's literally just driving for me, man. That's mad, isn't it? It feels nice as well, man. It feels like it's ready for action. Oh, mate, you're gonna love this car. You're gonna love it because I'm loving it right now. Literally like an arrow, bro. I'm not even fighting the steering wheel, bro. Literally, just we call that one hook and book, yeah. That there is what you call car styled. I'm not gonna lie, man, this car feels perfect. Perfect. It's ready for the owner, man. 100% it's ready for the owner now. This car's ready to rock. It just felt right. Here, the turbo's I can just listen to that all day, you know? God, looks like it's wide body, but it's not. What the hell is going on? Alright, cool. Yep, perfect. Happy with the car. I'm sure the owner's going to be gassed. Barry, your car's ready to rock. This car is 10/10. Handles amazing. Geo's on point. Coilovers, everything's perfect. So it's back to you now. I need to go back to work. So yeah, I'm going. See you later. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to R44 Performance.